Can you explain how do I create a chatbot agent for specific domains using a knowledge base? Yeah, Ravindran, you might have missed it earlier, but go to OpenAI. OpenAI has an excellent walkthrough of exactly the problem you're talking about. Their documentation walks you through, and I'll put this in the Discord, by the way. I know a few of you are in the Discord, but I'll put the link in the Discord. They walk you through how to do an LLM for the Tokyo Olympics. Like, they literally walk you step by step. They tell you, we went to Wikipedia. Here's how we scraped Wikipedia. Here's what we did with that. Like, they literally walk you step by step. It's an excellent tutorial, even though it's not really intended. It's actually part of their documentation. But that's what that's where I would point you, Ravindran. I mentioned it earlier in this stream. Maybe maybe you just came in late or whatever. But it's an excellent tutorial. I literally use that myself to do some of my own early experimentation. But yeah, that's where I would point you to. Do everything they did, but then substitute your own knowledge base. It sounds like you have something in mind already.